y'all, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So I got 2 wigs from Aliexpress and I just wanted to show you all them today and just give my review on these wigs. This is my first time purchasing a wig from Aliexpress. So this right here is the wavy wig, and it is supposed to be a lace front synthetic wig. It looks so good on the picture, and the reviews were like top 5-star reviews, so I figured I would go ahead and try it. It does have the combs on both sides, and then it also has the adjustable straps in the back, and then it also has a comb in the back as well. Okay, well, so while I'm getting this wig on, I just wanted to welcome everybody who's new to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. If you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up so you can see more videos. And also click that subscribe and then hit that notification bell. That way you'll get my notifications whenever I post a new video. So y'all, this is what the wig looks like on, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off camera so we can see how it looks. Okay, y'all, so I think my facial expressions kind of just explain it all. Like, I'm gonna put in the corner what the picture looks like, and then you saw it on the thumbnail as well, and this is like what I got. It was so tangled on the ends and throughout, so I tried to brush it and it helped a little bit, but the texture of it was just awful. Like, I know it's synthetic, but I've had other synthetic wigs that felt much better. This kind of reminded me of something I would probably wear for Halloween or something. So if I decide to keep it, that's what it'll be for. I did not like the lace. I didn't like anything about this wig. So this one's a no-go for me. Okay, now, so we're going in with the second wig. I'm smiling because of what I got from the first wig, and I'm just unsure how this is gonna look, if it's even gonna be anything similar. Okay, so this one did come with like a net wig cap. Not sure if I'll be using that. I didn't show it, but it did come with lashes also. Okay, so this one's synthetic also, and it does come with the combs, as you can see here on both sides. It also has a comb in the back, as well as those adjustable straps in the back as well. And this one also comes with the baby hairs. Once I got this one on, I did feel like, I thought it was kind of cute. But it was much better than the first wig. So we're gonna see how it looks. And you can see me here just trying to mold these baby hairs, just to trying to style the wig, just to see how the whole thing's gonna look when it's actually styled. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig looks. This is the back. I think I would probably actually go in the back and just try to cut it a little bit to take that bottom piece off in the back. But other than that, I don't think this wig looks too bad. I would wear it on a bad hair day as something quick and cute. Yeah. And as you can see, don't y'all see my smile? It's looking a little bit different on this wig. I was actually feeling myself a little bit. I thought it looked kind of cute on me. I did have it a little bit crooked. I didn't see it until I actually started editing the video, but I'm kind of liking it. I think it's cute. Guys, let me know what you all think. I will put the details in the description if you are interested at all in any of these wigs. But yeah, so let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.